Ikundi itiganite cia kugacirithia thayu guku bururi-ini rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Uwiano ni ciuritie a Kenya na atongoria othe kunyita itemi riao ria kuiga thayu riri githurano gitigaritie thiku 3 tu gitabanio na kurumirira riboti igi maratathi maria manyagitio kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu na igeria ria kuguoyohia andu na guthoga thayu. Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya urumwe na wuiguano Samuel Kobia augite undu uyu riu uri moko-ini ma maabitha borithi, akiuga kuri na andu maikitio ngono magikuruhanio na ndeto iyo kuria kumithitie ciiko ta icio.
Security has been beefed up in that area. This could be considered as ominous because this is what happened, for example, in 2007, which led to the post-election violence of 2008. So when that happens, really, it is important to immediately take action. And that is exactly what happened.
Kuri na riboti ati kuri na andu kaunti-ini ya Kisumu na Uasin Gishu mambiriirie guthama magitigira kwahota gugatuthuka ngui thutha wa moimirira ma githurano. A Kenya makiurio matigetikire guthararia thayu uria uri kuo guku bururi-ini mbere, hindi na nginyagia thutha wa githurano.
Reports from this county indicate that some of the ethnic communities are already living fearing widespread violence and mass displacement of non-locals as seen during the 2007 elections.
Ateti aria marahuranira ituro itiganite ni moritio kugia na mwihoko na magoti kungigakinya ni kwagia ndugamano ya maumirira ma kura, amukuri na matanya ati ni gugakorwo na mashira makeyumiria.
Threats to peace have been noted in the gubernatorial contests in counties where we have 2 or more strong candidates going for the same seat like in Nyanza region.
Maabitha borithi 150 nio matanyitwo gutumwo kugacirithia ugitiri na kuiga thayu hindi ya githurano icigo-ini itiganite, na muingi ukiurio gukorwo kihura riboti ciothe ingiciririo no ithoge thayu.
This should reassure Kenyans that their security is a top priority around this election period, and so they should not fear but rather confidently play their role in the elections and leave everything else to the agencies charged with the security to do their part.
Na niguo kuhitana na ucogeri wa ngui kuhitukira nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, kamiti ya NCIC ni gukorwo igithuthuria rurenda rwa WhatsApp na Telegram gatagati kaingi iria andu mangihingura ngurubu cia ucogeri wa ngui.
What we are now going to do is to station 2 of our staff to be located at Communications Authority.
Naguo urugamiriri wa makanitha rungu rwa ngwataniro ino ya Uwiano ni moriti a Kenya matikae guthugwo magie na rumena na guthararia thayu.
Confident that IEBC will deliver. Let's give them the support that they need, and just to remind Kenyans that we are not at war with each other. We have lived together for many years, and this should not be the moment that we break our ties.
Gikundi giki kia Uwiano magitugiria urumwe wa kamiti ya IEBC na ruhonge rwa borithi kurutithania wira hamwe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirore.